So no nail scraping on chalkboard stripped hair. Thank you, Jesus, because I cannot. It makes me want to run and jump somewhere, safely landing. Okay. Question is Olaplex 4C good for 4C hair? And if I dump a whole bunch of product in my hair, can it still clean it and cleanse it without stripping it? Well, let's find out. So because this was actually my second time using the shampoo, I felt like it needed a little bit more of a challenge. So I got my hair as dirty as I could. I put as much crap as I could handle in my hair. I put a lot of crap in my hair. A lot. Gel, moisturizers, got to be glue spray, clustered, Ecocide gel, which of course created this goopy mess on my hair. I put them in 2 puffs, went about my business, but I could not handle that more than a few hours. So at 2 o'clock, it had to come out. It did. It had to come out. So let's see how my wash day went with all that junk. So Olaplex 4C doesn't have a particular smell. It's kind of like, it's fresh, like a fresh, airy kind of situation, kind of hotel smell. It is not blue. The only thing blue about it is actually the bottle. It is a clear jelly substance that has a little bit of a weight to it. So Olaplex 4C retails for $30. It is 8.5 fluid ounces, which is an improvement from the size that I have tried with the previous Olaplex that I've had. They were like this big, and it was also $30 at the time, which was not fun for me. So if you've seen any of my videos, I do tend to have a little bit of a heavy hand. It did come out faster than I expected, but I did not use any more. That was all that I used, and that was enough for my entire head. I purposely only put this on my scalp as directed. However, this is how you're supposed to wash your hair in the first place, so this was a great experience for me. This is a very surfactant-y shampoo, and so it got sudsy really quick, and it did what it had to do, which was exciting for me. I love to see suds. Okay, when I see suds, I feel like something's happening. You know, bubbles, bubbles. Yeah. So it got in there. It got really sudsy really quick, as you can see, and I feel like it cleaned my hair really quick. Like if I had rinsed it out after 5 seconds, it feels like it almost would have been clean. Obviously, you don't want to do that, but it works really quick. I was very pleased. Olaplex 4C is supposed to be a clarifying shampoo. So a clarifying shampoo is not the same like a moisturizing shampoo. No, a clarifying shampoo clarifies your hair, being that it removes all oils, sebum, moisturizers, buildup, all of it, gone. Your hair is bare, like an empty cupboard. There are actually 3 different types of shampoo. We have moisturizing, clarifying, and this one, which actually will remove medication from your hair. So, you know, that's also important. Okay, so let's just take a look at their website and see what they are talking about. I do actually really like this color and just everything about this. I love it. Okay, remove buildup, reveal your healthiest hair. What makes healthy hair dull, colorless, dry, unmanageable, or oily? Buildup. Number 4C, Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo, is new technology to reveal your healthiest hair. Optimize your hair repair results by removing more impurities that damage hair. Harsh clarifiers can leave hair like straw. Number 4C is sulfate-free and pH balanced to maintain hydrated hair. With the Bond Spectrum Clarifying System and the scientifically proven Olaplex Bond Rebuilding Technology. Visible hair benefits are airy volume and softness, restores shine, brilliant color clarity, and deepens clean scalp. So it says where to focus. Focus on the roots, work through the ends. And when, use weekly in place of your regular shampoo. So the instructions in the bottle says apply to wet hair, concentrate on scalp, and work through to ends. Lather fully, let process up to 5 minutes, and rinse. Follow with number 5, Bond Maintenance Conditioner, or number 8, Intense Moisture Mask. Okay, when I hear the words let process, it takes me to relaxers and things processing, which was a little bit of a strange verbiage. I felt like it dried in my hair, and 5 minutes is a very, very long time. I had the camera so I could actually see, and as I was waiting for the time to go, I could feel it moving as it dried down. It was just my hair shrinking. It was kind of a strange feeling, but nothing tingly, nothing itchy, nothing. It's just your hair drying down with soap in it. I might be the only one that felt this, but as I was rinsing the product out, my hair felt kind of fragile. It felt like it was in a sensitive state, and it probably has something to do with the fact that it was completely clean. It did not feel stripped, not at all, but it felt obviously bare and almost weak. I know that doesn't sound good. Hair felt very, very fragile, and I just didn't want to do anything like this. I felt like the whole thing was gonna mat up or tangle if I did that. So I just let it gently come out with the water. And once I felt more of it come out, then I felt comfortable enough to kind of jizz it up a bit. Once all of the product was out, felt strong, felt smooth, felt soft. The first time I tried this, I followed with number 5. Number 5 is a good marriage with number 4C. After your hair has been clarified, it is completely bare of all oils and moisturizers that you may have had there before. Because it is a clarifying shampoo, it is not depositing any type of moisture. It is clean. You have clean hair. And so you definitely need a conditioner and or a deep conditioner after using it. I always deep conditioner, absolutely love deep conditioning. And number 8 is not a bad choice at all. However, you can follow with whatever you choose. If you are going for the bond rebuilding situation, you have your ingredients in here that are speaking to that you might want to follow. That is also your number 8 if that is your choice. The second time I used it, I did choose to go with I think I had protein deep conditioner in it, and it worked just fine too. There's nothing to stop you from using a different conditioner or deep conditioner, in my opinion. So it is free of all the things that we hate to see. It's cruelty free, it's gluten free, nut free, parabens free, it's pH balanced, all the goody things that you want to see. For some reason on the website, it doesn't say silicone free, but it does say silicone free on the bottle. So there's no silicones for those that fear it. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Looking at some water at the beginning, which is great. You know, you want your stuff to be water-based. I do see the bond rebuilding ingredient. That is a familiar word to me. Panthenol, that is a moisturizer, so that's good. I see some amino acids. There are no like oily thing, like, you know, usually see rosemary, you know, olive oil. None. I would like to take a deeper look at these ingredients and see exactly what a lot of these are, because there are no familiar ingredients in here, which might be a little scary. You'll see a different version of me pop up here. So when I checked out the ingredients, I did find that there are in fact no oils or anything at all in here. There are quite a bit of surfactants at the top of the list. Cleansing agents, conditioning agents, and amino acids. There are quite a bit of amino acids at the bottom of the list. However, because they are at the bottom of the list and they are below a certain ingredient that I'm going to tell you about in a different video, I am not even thinking about it. Like, amino acid who? Amino acid where? There is also panthenol, and there are some preservatives that are also in here. Some clarifying shampoos do in fact have oils, like, you know, coconut oils and different things, slippery elm, things that we're excited to see. This, however, does not at all. There are none. So if you are a person that likes to see a little bit of recognizable words, this is not going to be the shampoo for you. And if you don't know what amino acids are building blocks for protein. So they are very important, and they do help with like new follicle growth and things like that. So you do want to see amino acids, but like I said, they're at the bottom. They ain't gonna help you grow. They ain't gonna do nothing. If they are doing something, you're gonna have to use this like 50 million times. Speaking of 50 million times, according to the frequently asked page, which I like to run through, you can get 50 uses out of this bottle, and I believe it. I believe I've used this 5 times already, and it's about here, right here. And that amount, the 50 uses, is going to depend on the density and length of your hair. I don't think y'all realize how much hair I have. It's okay. You gonna figure it out. You gonna be here with me. We gonna figure this out together. So, final thoughts on Olaplex 4C. Do I feel like this is a good shampoo? Yes, this is a good shampoo. It is strong. It has a lot of surfactants. Definitely should be able to get rid of metals, minerals, chlorine, pollutants, and product buildup. It does not strip your hair, so that's great. Even with all the stuff that I had in my hair, which was not metals and pollutants and chlorine and stuff, but you still get the point. It definitely can clean. You do not need 2 washes. Please do not wash it. Please only use one. I did too the first time I did it, and that was rough. That was so rough. Oh my goodness, that was rough. Do one. That's all you need. That's all you need. That's all you need. This is not going to be for everyone. I do feel like a lot of people would be more comfortable with something like this or something like this. These are also clarifying shampoos, but they have a little bit more of a recognizable ingredient. This works very well, and I will keep this, and don't know if I'll buy it again. I'll be honest. I gotta use a couple more times to see, but I do feel like this is great. If you're someone that's going to be in a chlorine pool or anything that you know that is definitely hurting your hair in a toxic kind of buildup, kind of stripping, kind of blocking all nutrients from your hair kind of thing, you definitely need this. You definitely need this. For me, I won't use this more than once a month. I think once a week is a little bit too much for me. The girls that do a lot of gel and moisturizers and things like that, you tend to need a clarifying shampoo every week or two. So I would say that would be a good option for you. I do like the product. I do recommend the product. There is something I like better. I do. I'll just leave the link for Olaplex on there so you can find it. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you come back. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. I believe I've used this 5 times already. Woo-hoo. I'm not in the mood to do this. I have recorded this video not once, not twice, not even 3 times, but on 5 separate occasions. I don't know what's wrong with this video, but I'm done. Camera's not working, you know, mic's not being turned on, liners on my lid. I'm done. Okay. If the light changes,